a senior police officer for the prosecution involved in the case against two Reuters news agency reporters on trial in Myanmar for possessing state secrets, told the court on Monday that he made copies of the testimony of other witnesses, while another officer failed to show up to testify. Thet Oo Maung, also known as Walone, 32, and Kyaw Soe Oo, 28, were arrested on the outskirts of Yangon on deck 12 shortly after they had dinner with two police officers who gave them documents related to a brutal military crackdown on Rohingya Muslims in Rakhine State. They were formally charged on January 10 and face up to 14 years in prison if found guilty. During a previous hearing, Captain Mo Yangs testified that the two were set up by a senior officer. He was sentenced to a year in Yangon's insane prison under the police discipline law for handing classified information to the reporters, and authorities ordered his wife and 3 children to move out of a police housing complex. At the final pretrial court hearing on Monday, Police Major Thet Oo Maung told the court he had applied to obtain copies of statements given by all other witnesses in the case to learn more about it, Reuters reported. Lawyers for the defense said he was an unreliable witness because his request, though not illegal, violated police code. They also said the prosecution had failed to establish how the alleged documents had come into the reporter's possession, Reuters reported. He was not there. Meanwhile, another witness, Police Corporal Kyaw Soe Oo, failed to show up in court and has been reported missing. Kyaw Soe Oo had previously been detained along with Mo Yanang in December for his involvement in the case and was later fired from the police force. The prosecutor's lawyer said during the hearing that they looked for Police Corporal Kyaw Soe Oo in Mike Township of southern Myanmar's Tanintharyi region, where they were informed he could be, but he was not there, said Thet Oo August, the reporter's attorney. The prosecutor's lawyer submitted a document saying that Police Corporal Kyaw Soe Oo doesn't live at the address they have for him, he said. Kyaw Soe Oo, another lawyer representing the journalists, said his clients had been interrogated by police at the Ong Thabie Interrogation Center where they were deprived of sleep, though Police Major Thet Oo Maung said Monday that he didn't know whether they had been sent to the facility. It seems they want to hide the part about sending the reporters to that interrogation center, he said. Meanwhile, Walone expressed disappointment with State Councillor Aung San Suu Kyi, who told Japanese broadcaster NHK last week that the two reporters were arrested because they violated Myanmar's Official Secrets Act. "We were sad to hear Da honorific Aung San Suu Kyi's interview with NHK," he told reporters outside the courthouse. "It is very obvious that she was told the wrong information by relevant authorities. I would like to tell her to work for our justice and get true information," he said. After 6 months of pretrial hearings, the court will hear arguments from both sides on July 2 on whether the two reporters should be charged under the Colonial Era Act in what has become a landmark press freedom case. Reported by Htet and Kong Thienka for RFA's Myanmar service. Translated by Ketmar. Written in English by Roseanne Jaron.